Smartphones have become an integral part of people's lives, not just in the present but also for future generations. All sorts of financial services and applications are becoming available to meet everyone's needs. However, it is the software technology that enables these services. It is important to keep up with technological developments, which facilitate transactions at a simple touch on a device. This brings us to the topic for today's video: understanding fintechs and their role in the Indian economy. Nowadays, it is quite common to see a quick response code, commonly called a QR code, placed even at your neighborhood kirana stores. Just open an application, scan the code, and make the payment. It's now that simple. However, did you know that behind all this simplicity is a fintech at work? Let's take another example from our daily lives. We oftentimes have to send across money, and more often than not, UPI is now a preferred choice. It facilitates payment within seconds. Again, what makes this possible are fintechs. These two examples are what we can witness for ourselves. There are a lot more uses which happen in the background, hidden away from us. These processes continuously are taking place 24/7, powering millions of transactions a second. That's the core crux of financial technology, which makes it possible, referred to as fintech in short. The companies which work on developing innovations and adoption of financial technology to simplify our daily lives are known as fintechs. These fintech startups have now become an ubiquitous part of India's economy, with reportedly over 7,000 startups operating across this space. Some major segments catered to by fintechs are: Number 1. Credit. Fintechs today are spearheading availability of credit facilities to credit-deprived or underserved segments of the country, in the form of personal loans to individuals, business loans to MSME, working capital loans, bridge financing, etc. Examples of some prominent players include Zest Money, Slice, Navi, and many more. If you'd like us to create an explainer video on different forms of credit and how they work, do let us know in the comments below. Number 2. Payments. Fintech apps like Paytm, PhonePe, GPay enable us to pay at merchants or to our friends via Unified Payments Interface or UPI. Then, there are companies which develop payment gateways for websites like Razorpay, BillDesk, etc. Solutions from fintechs has enabled us to easily pay our electricity, water, power bills, and do mobile recharges on applications like Paytm in real time. Number 3. Insurance. Fintechs entering into this segment have now created what is known as InsurTech. There are various online insurance broking platforms such as Policy Bazaar. In addition, one can avail specific insurance like term insurance, health insurance, motor insurance, etc. on various other dedicated online platforms such as Digit, Ditto, Acco, etc. Number 4. Lending to peers. Fintechs have made it possible to lend to other fellow individuals, known as peer-to-peer lending. They act as a platform wherein people can both borrow as well as lend money. This process is simplified as all documentations happens via document uploads and video KYC, and an individual need not visit banks or other institutional facilities in most cases. Examples of fintechs making this possible are FairCent, CredMint, etc. Number 5. Investment and wealth management. Fintechs operating within this space have simplified the process of wealth management. Individuals now, from the comfort of their homes, easily invest across a range of asset classes. At the touch of a finger, stocks can be bought or sold, and SIP, that is systematic investment plans initiated in mutual funds. Fintechs operating in this space include Zerodha, Upstocks, Paytm, amongst others. Number 6. Investment in virtual assets. Fintechs enable individuals nowadays to invest in virtual assets like cryptocurrencies and digital gold. Fintechs such as CoinDCX facilitate crypto exchanges and transactions, while one can invest in digital gold through apps like Paytm, PhonePe and more. Number 7. Neo-banking. Fintechs have added a technology layer above the services provided by existing banks in partnership with them to provide a whole host of additional services which are lacking in the traditional suite of services offered to the customers. Examples of fintechs in this space are Jupiter, Neo, etc. Due to the rapid technological innovations made by startups in India in the financial domain, India, which has traditionally been a follower to developed economies in terms of development, has leapfrogged in the financial technology domain. These rapid strides have been made possible by a hugely talented pool of professionals available in India, and the increasingly educated masses, and viewers such as yourself, watching this video. If you love today's educational content, do leave a like for the video, and share it amongst your family and friends. See you next time.